Hey friends, Brian with Trend Motors Volkswagen here on location at Trend Motors Volkswagen, surrounded by a sea of the 2022 Volkswagen Taos. In front of us today is the 1.5 SE with the optional 4MOTION all-wheel drive. Now, a couple things to note: 2022 brand new vehicle, slots in just under the Tiguan as far as size and drivability, if you will. There's no optional third row. It's more compact. Think of it as a Golf, just a little jacked up, and especially since unfortunately the Mark 8 Golf will not be coming to the US in Golf form. We will get it as the Golf R and the GTI due to America's insatiable appetite for crossover SUVs. Volkswagen has this beautiful homegrown for the US market here, this all new compact SUV. All right, so this is the Taos. Again, 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo, 158 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque, and depending on if you're a front-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive is going to determine your transmission. So this one right here, 4MOTION all-wheel drive, comes with the 7-speed DSG, Direct Shift Gearbox. It's a dual-clutch transmission. If you're going to forego power to the rear wheels, you're going to get an 8-speed automatic transmission. All right, so finished off in pure gray here. We have a whole bunch of other really nice colors. I was just in a beautiful cornflower blue one, which is think of the GTI, right? The Rabbit GTI edition. All right, so let's go inside the SE real quick. Before we do that though, 25, 32 city highway respectively with a 28 combined. For the front wheel drive, you're going to get a 31 combined, and you're going to get upwards of 36 on the highway for your miles per gallon. So that's pretty sweet. This one here has a host of options. ID.DRIVE is the most important one. You get all sorts of safety features: lane keep system, stop and go, semi-autonomous cruise control. You have emergency braking. You got blind spot monitor. It's got 18-inch wheels are optional, as well as the power tilt slide panoramic sunroof right there. And if I didn't mention it already, it's pure gray, so pretty sweet color. I like how they're doing Volkswagen on the A pillars there, or on the B pillars. So inside here, the seating surfaces are what's known as cloth and cloud text. So that's like a fancy Volkswagen speak, or maybe it's a manufacturer. It's kind of like an Alcantara. It's pretty comfortable. I like it. All right. Again, you got a Leatherette-wrapped steering wheel. You got Volkswagen's new emblem right there. And you got a nice digital dash. Pretty cool there, smaller digital dash. SELs get the whole thing's all digital, so pretty cool. Nice little screen there. This one, it has App Connect, so even though it doesn't come with navigation from the factory, just plug in your phone, boom, Apple Maps, Google Maps, whatever you got, good to go. All right. Check out that sunroof, pretty nice, pretty nice. I like the two-tone interior as well, and with my polarized sunglasses, the surfaces almost look blue. Or maybe they are blue. Oh, it is blue. It's like a tri-tone, man. Okay, check that out, pretty sharp. Back here, again, there's no third row option in the Taos. If you want that, you just step up to the Tiguan. But in the back, we're gonna show you the square footage. Obviously, you get a 60-40 split. You get an armrest with a pass-through, which is important there. And then you got USB connectivity for the rear passengers. And see how much light is coming in because of that sunroof. You got a power shade too, in case you don't want all that light, but who doesn't want all that light, right? LED taillights, pretty nice. And in the back, 4MOTION models get 25 cubic feet of space with the seats up. All right, so that's definitely in or above Golf territory. I don't have the specific Golf numbers for you right now, but I'm sure it's visually, it definitely looks comparable. And then under this is a compact spare tire, so you don't have to worry about futzing around with fix-a-flat. You got that compact spare. So check out the back there. You got new badging. It's located on the lowermost edge of the hatch there. Again, SE, Taos, and because this is 4MOTION equipped, you got that nice 4MOTION badge. Nice new logo there. Again, these are exhaust finishers, okay, which means the exhaust is not routed through those fancy little trapezoids. It just pokes out the bottom, but those things look nice, and you won't have to worry about carbon deposits, getting them all black and everything, so they're good to go. So let's wrap it up. 2022 Volkswagen Taos. This is the SE 1.5 4-cylinder turbo with the 7-speed DSG gearbox because it has 4MOTION all-wheel drive. They come in all sorts of flavors though. You got the 3 flavors, all the colors, and all sorts of options. So it's a great, definitely a great piece to Volkswagen's puzzle. So check it out. We're at Trend Motors Volkswagen, 221 Route 46 West in Rockaway, New Jersey. You can find us online, trendmotors.com, or on all social media channels at Trend Motors VW. Thanks for viewing. See you soon.